Good morning, little baby chicks. They've got their food and water for the day, so they're good to go. Good morning, everyone. Reese didn't wait for me to get him off the roost, so he flew into the door. That's what that sound was. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Atlee. Good morning, Bridget. Is out. Good morning, Dove. Good morning, Ember. Good morning, Harlow. Chin scratch. Have a good day. We have visitors coming this afternoon, and it's a pretty big group, so I was going to give the cows less hay, so I divided up a bale of hay. The first bale is over where I always put it. The second bale I was trying to hide in the wagon over here until I got the girls out, but as you can see, Ember found it right away, so I'm going to have to break her heart and take it away from her. She went pretty easily. Good morning, little babies. Let's get your bedding changed and use some new food and water. I'm trying an experiment with these little baby chicks. I went ahead and put the bedding in there that we use for the cows and wet it down a little bit so it'll turn into a powder. I'm wondering if I do it that way, if they'll quit getting as much in their water for one, and maybe it won't make this mess of pine shavings on the outside. We'll have to see. I do wish that I would have had enough time to maybe wet it down and turn it into powder before they get in there and poop all over it, because I think that will probably stick to the little tray, but poop sticks to the tray anyways when they flick all the pine bedding out, and there's none in that. Ooh, I bet you're a little rooster. This one here, try to get in the wrong way or something. Get out of the way, little chicken. All right, go the other way. All right, going out. There we go. Thank you. When I'm sweeping the barn in a little bit, I'll move the cage and get all that pine shaving out of the way and get it pushed up against the stall again. Good morning, girls. It's nice to see that you left all your hay in your hay feeder. No waste here, huh? Good morning, honey. Always trying to get out. Sometime throughout the night, the girls dump their water, so they're awful thirsty this morning. Honey has his pellets, and we'll get him more hay when we dump his litter in a little bit. All right, guys, we have to get your coop clean so we can be ready for visitors. Here's what we're starting with. We got it cleaned up in here, and I'm actually not going to collect eggs today because we let our visitors do that. We got the big coop ready for visitors. The baby pool's been changed. Their food's full. And I've moved the heaters out of the water. Even though it was 30 degrees this morning, I think we're done needing water heaters for the season. No treats yet, but I promise you're gonna get lots in a few hours. All right, Nugget, let's get your run ready now. Here's what we're starting with. The Bantam coop's ready for visitors now, and so is their run. We got the bunny area all clean and ready for our showing, and Honey's area looks good too. We got the barn pretty much ready for our showing, so now all I have to do is wait until it's time to put the cows up, and then we'll get all their treats ready. We've got all the treats out for our visitors and a basket for their eggs. These chickens can't wait till they come. All right, we have visitors that are getting ready to come, so we got to get the girls in their stalls. We've got the girls all in their stalls. They're looking forward to visitors coming so that they can eat more treats. The treats are all ready and our visitors just pulled in. We just got done with the showing. The cows did a great job, so now we're gonna let them out until bedtime. The girls are gonna search the ground for more treats. Looks like Honey's exhausted after having all the visitors. The girls are enjoying a little bit of quietness, and Felicity's having herself a snack. These girls must be in a mealworm coma because they're all hanging out after our visitors were here feeding them all those treats. This girl here's nearly buried herself. I didn't even notice she was there. We got 2 eggs from the Bantam coop. Now let's go get them from the big coop. Do you have any eggs for me, girls? I set the duck egg up here earlier when I was cleaning the coop. Pretty basket today. These girls are resting off all the treats that they had, for sure. Their tummies are big and full. I don't know if Ember wanted to cuddle Buddy, but I think I deserve to snuggle after they gave all my cuddles to other people today. This is the perfect Saturday evening view. So Wayne tells me that Dove's the best snuggler, so I thought I should come try her out too. Figured Atlee worked hard, so she needed to snuggle with me too. I rewarded Bridget by not snuggling with her. Baby Harlow's pretty close to this fence, but I'm gonna try and weasel my way in. I got in with her. Ready for bed? Let me go get your doors open. Oh! We almost had a hard time getting these girls in their stalls because we only gave them a few treats because I assumed their bellies would be full. But we got them in now. Sorry, Dove. They made me feel bad for them, so I'm giving them each a half a cup of treats. There you go, Dove. The babies have theirs. I think I prefer this type of bedding, so we'll probably keep doing it this way. Ready for bed, girls? Ready for your bedtime snack, honey? Ready for your bedtime treats, girls? Bamboo sticks are always a win. One of them was really skinny, so I brought an extra one into here. Set it in front of Molly, because hers is little. The bantams are all on the roost, so we're gonna close them up. Good night, guys. All right, ducks, it's time for bed. One in, all the way in. The big chickens are all on the roost, all except for this girl. So we're gonna go ahead and close them up. Good night, girls. We had a great day today. We had our first visitors and it was really fun. Now it's time for bed. They've all been tucked in and given their treats and loved on. We hope you all had a great day and we'll see you tomorrow.